friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll tell you how to make aloe vera detox drink and what are the benefits of it. So let's get started. But friends, first click on subscribe button and never miss the bell icon to get notified about more latest videos. Reduces constipation, helps to improve metabolism, improves digestive system, take out toxins from body, reduces belly fat, reduces hair fall, get rid of dark circle, get glowing skin.